Meet the Dassault Rafale, the Omin-Role fighter. The Dassault Rafale, which means literally gust of wind or burst of fire in a more military sense, was conceived for use by the French Air Force and Navy as an omnirole fighter, meaning that it would replace 7 types of combat aircraft then in operation. The new aircraft was developed to carry out a wide range of missions including air defense, air superiority, anti-access area denial, reconnaissance, close air support, dynamic targeting, air-to-ground precision strike interdiction, anti-ship attacks, nuclear deterrence, and even buddy-buddy refueling. The various requirements needed for the multi-mission roles were taken into account during the aircraft's early development, which led engineers to create an aircraft that was able to go above the needs for each type of mission and serve as a true force multiplier. The Rafale is slated to be the French Armed Forces' prime combat aircraft until 2050 and beyond. Origins: Avion de Combat Experimentale. The Rafale can trace its origins back to the Avion de Combat Experimentale (ACX) program in the early 1980s before France's withdrawal from the multinational European Fighter Aircraft (EFA) project in 1985. It has been suggested that one reason why Paris opted to pull out of the EFA program was its requirement for smaller and lighter combat aircraft that could operate from aircraft carriers.